In the 1950s, Harvard did a pretty awful study that involved taking rats and drowning them in water. They wanted to test how long the rats would swim for before they would accept their fate and sink to the bottom. On average, the rats lasted around 15 minutes before sinking. But every single time, right as the rats were going to drown, the scientists would save them from the water and let them rest on land for a bit before placing them back in the water for round 2. By then, the rats were already exhausted, so the scientists thought they would last a few more minutes at most. But that didn't happen. The rats went on to swim for another 60 entire hours without giving up. The conclusion of the study was that the reason the rats were able to swim for so long was because they were given just a little bit of hope. Just because the rats believed that there was someone out there who could eventually rescue them, they were able to push themselves way beyond what they originally thought was possible. You should take 2 different lessons from this. Number 1, if just a little glimmer of hope can cause exhausted rats to swim for that long, what could a little believing in yourself do for you? Number 2, just stop doing evil experiments on rats.